Gaylord's Eliminator is the first ventilator of its kind and is designed to meet the growing need for smoke and odor abatement, especially where space is at a premium. Mixed-use development continues to increase due to market pressures for density, the desire for greater housing variety, and sustainability. The Eliminator's advanced technology reduces odor and visual smoke emissions to industry-accepted standards, allowing developers to combine living, restaurant, and retail space without issue, and creating improved convenience for residents and business alike. With over 40 years of engineering experience designing and manufacturing pollution control equipment specifically for commercial kitchens, Gaylord's kitchen air management specialists show smoke and odor who's boss. The Eliminator's in-hood integration eliminates the need for a remote pollution control unit, providing operators the ability to optimize potential revenue-generating space where larger traditional units would be housed. In addition, mechanical codes require a 2-hour fire-rated room for pollution control units located inside a building, adding to capital costs, the cost of the additional interior space, and the hassle of remote maintenance. Additional savings include the elimination of external utilities required to maintain a remote pollution control unit, such as hot water, electrical, and sewage infrastructure. Rooftop considerations include the additional weight of the pollution control unit to the structure, fire protection systems, and the additional cost of ductwork, with an estimated cost of $11,000 per floor to install ductwork to the roof. Since the cost of operation and ease of maintenance of pollution control units are top concerns, the Eliminator's integrated self-cleaning hood provides ease of maintenance and service in the kitchen. Gaylord's clean-in-place technology ensures a thorough cleaning and reduces the need to remove individual parts in the plenum chamber. With a smaller, cost-effective footprint, the Eliminator frees up valuable space for your most challenging projects. Gaylord's ventilation systems are known for their durability and meticulous attention to detail. They are custom engineered to meet every design and budget, providing the quality, support, and service you've come to expect.